So one benefit you get by regulating these two, inhalation and exhalation, you are free from the toxins that you build in your body. You see, if you retain toxins for some time and do not know how to, it is exactly like that. Please eat and don't go to bathroom for some time, not on time. How uneasy it is for you. You can understand how injurious it could be. Exactly like that. Therefore, as you eat food, go to bathroom, so is the case you should do one exercise. That exercise should be inhalation and exhalation. Equal inhalation and equal exhalation. Now, if you count it, please look towards me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is only for you to understand, not to practice that way. Because if you do 1, there will be jerk in the breath. If you do 2, there will be second jerk. If you do 3, during practice you don't do that. What do? You have points in your body, which are called chakras. Here, in this, you make this point. Now, breath follows mind and mind follows breath. Here you are doing breathing exercise. If you pay attention towards the breath will be conscious of the mind's presence and mind will be conscious of the breath's presence. And this is twin laws of life. So exhale as though you are exhaling to the... and then inhale without anything. This exercise is very good. Very good exercise. How to keep, this is, you are doing breathing, but there is another point that is involved with it, with your mind, thinking process. You should give something to your mind, otherwise mind will think, breathe, and you are thinking this way. No. You can use a sound which does not disturb your breath. Shall I tell you something? You will be shocked. If you do japa and if you do bad mantra japa, you can have heart attack. Yeah. If you do not know right way of doing your japa, your breath can become shallow and that will disturb the motion of your lung, that will disturb your pumping station, and one day you will have heart attack. Is God's name meant to give you heart attack? No. Therefore, spiritual practices, there is a word in English, it's a beautiful word, many of you will not know, gnosis. Do you know how to spell it? What? What do you mean by that? Knowledge of spiritual mysteries. That subject which is not devoted to Mr. or to Miss, but to mystery. That is called gnosis. You understand? How breath behaves is a very interesting subject. Mind becomes very subtle if you systematically meditate. You jump, immediately start. No need of doing it.